Hello Docker developers, Jack Wallen here to help you make tech work. You might have heard of Docker Scout, which is an image analyzer that ships with Docker Desktop. This tool makes it easy for developers to view vulnerabilities found in Docker images. Considering you do not want to deploy a container based on an image with numerous vulnerabilities, this tool should be considered a must-use. Even though Docker Scout ships with Docker Desktop, it isn't included in the Docker CLI, at least not the community edition of Docker. Fortunately, we can add it without too much trouble. Here's how. I'm going to assume you already have the Docker runtime engine installed. With that out of the way, create the necessary directory with the command mkdir-p/.docker/cli-plugins. Once you've created the directory, download the necessary file with the command wget https://github.com/docker/scout-cli/releases/download/v0.15.0/docker-scout_0.15.0/tar.gz. Unpack the file with the command tar xvzf star.tar.gz. Move the Docker Scout file into the proper directory with the command mv docker-scout tilde/.docker/cli-plugins. Give the file executable permissions with the command +x tilde/docker/cli-plugins/docker-scout. You can now analyze an image with a command like docker scout quickview nginx latest. The results will tell you how many vulnerabilities have been discovered in the image, and you can decide if you want to attempt to mitigate the problems or find a different image for you. Remember, the security of your container deployments lives and dies on a foundation of secure images, so Docker Scout will be a crucial component in your workflow. If you want to learn more in the ways of everything tech, be sure to subscribe to our TechRepublic YouTube channel and watch more how-to videos at How to Make Tech Work.